Standard way to embed version into Python package. Is there a standard way to associate version string with a Python package in such way that I could do the following? I would imagine there's some way to retrieve that data without any extra hard coding, since minor/major strings are specified in setup.py already. Alternative solution that I found was to have import _version_ in my foo/_init_.py and then have _version_.py generated by setup.py.
Not directly an answer to your question, but you should consider naming it _version_, not version. This is almost a quasi-standard. Many modules in the standard library use _version_, and this is also used in lots of third-party modules, so it's the quasi-standard. Usually, _version_ is a string, but sometimes it's also a float or tuple. As mentioned by s.lot, thank you, pet8 says it explicitly. Module-level dunder names module-level dunders, i.e. names with two leading and two trailing underscores, such as _all_, _author_, _version_, etc. Should be placed after the module docstring but before any import statements except from _future_ imports. You should also make sure that the version number conforms to the format described in PEP 440, PEP 386, a previous version of this standard.
I use a single _version.py file as the once canonical place to store version information. It provides a _version_ attribute. It provides the standard metadata version. Therefore it will be detected by pkg_resources or other tools that parse the package metadata, egginfo or pkg-info, PEP 0345. It doesn't import your package, or anything else, when building your package, which can cause problems in some situations. See the comments below about what problems this can cause. There is only one place that the version number is written down, so there is only one place to change it when the version number changes, and there is less chance of inconsistent versions. Here is how it works. The one canonical place to store the version number is a py file, named _version.py, which is in your Python package, for example in myniftyApp /version.py. This file is a Python module, but your setup.py doesn't import it. That would defeat feature 3. Instead, your setup.py knows that the contents of this file is very simple, something like. And so your setup.py opens the file and parses it, with code like. Then your setup.py passes that string as the value of the version argument to setup, thus satisfying feature 2. To satisfy feature 1, you can have your package, at runtime, not at setup time, import the _version file from myniftyApp /init_.py like this. Here is an example of this technique that I've been using for years. The code in that example is a bit more complicated, but the simplified example that I wrote into this comment should be a complete implementation. Here is example code of importing the version. If you see anything wrong with this approach, please let me know.
Rewritten 2017-05. After 13 plus years of writing Python code and managing various packages, I came to the conclusion that DIY is maybe not the best approach. I started using the PBR package for dealing with versioning in my packages. If you are using Git as your SCM, this will fit into your workflow like magic, saving your weeks of work. You will be surprised about how complex the issue can be. As of today, PBR has 12 meters monthly downloads, and reaching this level didn't include any dirty tricks. It was only one thing, fixing a common packaging problem in a very simple way. PBR can do more of the package maintenance burden, and is not limited to versioning, but it does not force you to adopt all its benefits. So to give you an idea about how it looks to adopt PBR in one commit, have a look switching packaging to PBR. Probably you would observe that the version is not stored at all in the repository. PBR does detect it from Git branches and tags. No need to worry about what happens when you do not have a Git repository, because PBR does compile and cache the version when you package or install the applications, so there is no runtime dependency on Git. Old solution. Here is the best solution I've seen so far, and it also explains why. Inside your package/version.py. Inside your package/init_.py. Inside setup.py. If you know another approach that seems to be better, let me know.
For the deferred, stop press, rejected, PEP 396, module version numbers, there is a proposed way to do this. It describes, with rationale, an, admittedly optional, standard for modules to follow. Here's a snippet. When a module, or package, includes a version number, the version should be available in the _version_ attribute. For modules which live inside a namespace package, the module should include the _version_ attribute. The namespace package itself should not include its own _version_ attribute. The _version_ attribute's value should be a string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.